Okay, good afternoon. Okay, nice to meet you, Frank. Okay, you made it back. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Talent. Okay, okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Welcoming me today. So I have prepared remarks so that I have specific words. So if you don't mind, I'll just read my remarks. So again, ladies and gentlemen of the press, to my esteemed colleagues, good afternoon. So first of all, I would like to express my profound gratitude to Mr. President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for entrusting me with the duty of Postmaster General of the Federation, a national assignment that I hold dear to my heart. As the first female to hold this position since the existence of NIPOST, my appointment is a testament to the strides our nation is making to close the gender and age gap in governance in Nigeria. And I'm particularly elated because I can see many female members of senior management. And so this aligns seamless with Mr. President's renewed hope agenda and his vision for a more inclusive Nigeria, where everyone, irrespective of gender, age, religion, ethnicity, has an opportunity to contribute to nation building. So the essence of any administration lies in its ability to ensure continuity while staying committed to the core values and mandates, while striving to maximize its potential and adapt to change and evolving public demand. NIPOST has a legacy, which was one that was forged by hard work, vision of those before me, and prosperity will be indeed kind to them. As I assume this role, I aim to build on the commendable work of my predecessors. My aspiration is not only to solidify NIPOST status as one of the leading postal operators in the world, but also to make it a critical conduit in bridging trade, economic and social gaps of our beloved country. To make NIPOST a dependable logistics provider that can connect Nigerians, irrespective of what they do, entrepreneurs to their customers, diaspora to their relatives back home, Nigeria to the global e-commerce market, and also Nigerians to their government, irrespective of where they live. So to the dedicated directors, the tireless general and zonal managers, and to all the committed staff of NIPOST, I extend my heartfelt appreciation for your enduring commitment to this institution. I admire your resolve to see NIPOST advancing despite the many challenges that we can all see, even from outside. While change can seem daunting, it also presents a unique opportunity for revitalization and growth, one that will take NIPOST to its rightful position, both locally and globally. I look forward to meeting with each and every one of you, learning from your experiences, as they are very important to assess where we are while forging a path forward. My primary focus will always be on the welfare of the staff, to create an enabling environment for each and every one of us to thrive, and I promise to be your greatest cheerleader. Together, we will develop a 21st century NIPOST, an institution that stands tall in its commitment to efficiency, trust, and impeccable service delivery. A NIPOST that each and every one of us can look at and say, and you'll be proud to say anywhere in the world that you work for NIPOST. With over 15 years of work experience spanning both public and private sector and across the continent of Africa, especially in the innovation sector, I understand the need for modern solutions that cater to current demands, but without losing sight of core values. My experience and qualifications have equipped me to face these challenges ahead, and I also trust that with your support and your help and us working together as a team, there's no mountain that we can't surpass. So going forward, we embrace the future. Let's leverage transformation and solutions and our collective power of the human capital to redefine NIPOST for the modern age. A NIPOST that connects Nigerians and an organization that we can leverage partnerships with both in the public and private sector in Nigeria and globally. And the NIPOST that I dream of, I can't build alone. I have to build it with every single person in this room. Collectively, I'm sure I have centuries worth of experience sitting in this room that I don't have. And so I am asking for your support. And I also am particularly excited to be working closely with the Honorable Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, Dr. Bosun Tijani, who superintends our institution. He's a visionary who will chart a path that allows us to leverage our collective experiences to better serve Nigeria and solidify our position. And in conclusion, I reaffirm my gratitude to the President and the nation for the work he has committed into my hands. And though the task ahead is daunting, I believe that we can turn things around and we can all be proud. Thank you very much.